Left hand special warm-up for our little duckling in multiple keys. We're going to start with the key of C major. The fifth finger would play Do, and there's no black key in this under this 5-finger position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Key of D major, there's one black key under this 5-finger position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Key of F major, there's one black key under finger number 2 in this position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Key of G major, there's no black key under this 5-finger position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. We're going to start all the little duckling in different key, starting from C major. All the little duckling swim across the sea, swim across the sea. Underwater tail look up at me. D major. F major. G major. Right hand chords warm up for all little duckling. We're going to do it in multiple keys again, and we're going to play only 2-note chords this time. So let's start with the key of C major. Do, sol, 1 chord. Do, la, 4th chord. Do, sol, 1 chord. Fa, sol, 5, 7. Do, sol, 1 chord. D major. Do, sol, 1 chord. Do, la, 4th chord. Do, sol, 1 chord. Fa, sol, 5, 7. Do, sol, 1 chord. F major. Do, sol, 1 chord. Do, la, 4th chord. Do, sol, 1 chord. Fa, sol, 5, 7. Do, sol, 1 chord. G major. Do, sol, 1 chord. Do, la, 4th chord. Do, sol, 1 chord. Fa, sol, 5, 7. Do, sol, 1 chord. All the little duckling swim across the sea, swim across the sea. Hey, make sure you have finger number 4 on the black key there. All the little ducklings swim across the sea, swim across the sea. Heads are underwater, tails look up at me. One chord, fourth chord and one, fourth chord and one, 5, 7, 1 and 5, 7 and 1. G major. All the little ducklings swim across the sea, swim across the sea. Heads are underwater, tails look up at me.